Hello and welcome back to moodfabrics.com. Introducing the Secret Garden Collection, Viscose Georgette. Explore Mood's Flower Shop. The Mood exclusive Secret Garden Collection is an aromatic assembly of bouquets and fields and gardens sprawling with life and buzzing with color. This fabric features a sheer, grainy hand with an effortlessly fluid drape and no stretch. Create airy, pleated skirts and lightweight dresses and tops, as shown here with our Veronica blouse free sewing pattern. Only available at moodfabrics.com. These fabrics are also Mood Earth verified with a green shirt ranking and Oecotex verified.